Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, we're unboxing and reviewing the Silvercrest Bladeless desk fan from Lidl. Let's dive right into it. Here's the box, with a sleek design and some specifications listed on the side. This fan promises to be quiet and efficient. It's supposed to be for a desk, but judging by the box size, it will be a better fit for cooling a small room. Let's open it up and see what's inside. We have the user manual, the power cord, and the fan itself. Pretty straightforward. The fan has a 1.8 meter long cable, 24 watts of power, and its dimensions are 50 centimeters in height and 21 in width. The plastic it's made of looks good from a distance, but it's far from the premium materials used in higher-end products. Setup is really simple. Just plug in the power cord and it's ready to go. Now let's power it up and see how it performs. Of course, the big advantage of bladeless fans is that they're completely safe for pets and families with small kids. This fan rotates like most other fans. Unfortunately, the turning speed is not adjustable. Here you can see the noise levels for each of the 10 power levels. You can set the fan to turn off in 1 to 8 hours time at 1 hour intervals. And finally, here's how the fan looks in his permanent spot in my living room. If you found my video useful, please consider giving it a like and subscribe to my channel so I can make more of these. If you found my video useful, please consider giving it a like and subscribe to my channel so I can make more of these.